Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the roche posay cicaplast balm B5. This product retails for $17. This is one of La Roche-Posay's best sellers and I'm very excited to be trying it. I struggle really bad with chapped skin, especially around my drier areas. They have a gel formulation of this. If you want me to try that in the future, please let me know. But I want to try the balm first because I've seen the most people talking about it. I couldn't find whether or not this product was vegan. La Roche-Posay is not a cruelty-free brand, but this formulation is fragrance-free and alcohol-free. They have amazing ingredients such as panthenol, shea butter, and glycerin, but they have amazing other supporting ingredients that you can check out in the description. The main things I'll be looking for with it include, does it cause acne or clog my pores? It also claims to provide instant relief to chapped and dry skin, so I want to test that out. I also want to see what I notice with this product and how it performs on my skin. As for anything else, I'll be continuing to do check-ins, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in on this product and also a first impression. Super excited to be using this because I've been experiencing some pretty chapped skin around here. Right now, I'm going to start out using it on my drier areas. I feel like this will be a situational product for me. Throughout this review, I'm going to be using it all over my face just to see if I experience any breakout. Right now, I'm really just wanting to focus it on my drier areas. I've been getting acne on this area as well, so I will be able to test it out there too. Also surprised at how small this is. Like a head comparison, I don't know if they have a bigger size of this. It's not terribly small. I just feel like for me, it will be better to use this situationally and maybe better for your money if you don't use it every night unless you need it. The ingredients in here are some of the best that I have seen in a La Roche-Posay formula, and balm is the perfect texture to describe it because it doesn't leave a heavy finish. It just kind of absorbs into the skin, makes it feel moisturized. Anytime the weather is going through it, my skin follows. Like my drier areas are really dry right now. I'm just gonna take a little bit out here. I want to see how far it goes. Specifically right here, I am experiencing such bad dryness. It is a little bit heavier with the finish, which makes me believe unless you have really dry skin, this may be more of a nighttime product for you. It did provide instant soothing benefits to this area because when I tell you this was very irritated, I shave my face and whenever I use actives and do that, it gets very irritated. I am going to use this product all over my face just right now. I needed it right here. Also curious, now they have a lip balm and I'm going to be trying that, but I want to see how this product feels on the lips. It provided an instant benefit. The dryness that I was experiencing isn't as bad using this product, and it provided instant soothing. They described this as a therapeutic cream, and I mean instantly I felt soothed with it, but I'm not sure how long this nourishment will last. I'm also going to try using this overnight, specifically all over as a nighttime moisturizer. It is the morning right now. I don't want to go in with as rich of a product in the morning. At night is when I like to layer on, so that's where I'll really put this product to the test. But so far it provided an instant soothing benefit. It's not leaving a greasy finish whatsoever. I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. Overall, this balm was extremely nourishing for the skin. The only thing was I noticed that it was a little bit heavier and didn't absorb into the skin when it came to finishes, but I like that aspect of it, specifically to use it at nighttime. I feel like that was the best time to use this product because it was a little bit dramatic during the day. I think it's just what this balm is supposed to do. It is very thick and very rich. It was a situational product for me. Since I do have more combination skin, I loved it in my drier areas. Additionally, I loved using this product anywhere I was sensitive, and it was a really nourishing balm to complement when I shaved my face or when I was using actives and my skin was a little bit more sensitized. And the best part is this product didn't personally cause any acne or any new breakouts. It was, in my opinion, a very impressive balm, but like I said, I preferred to use it at night just because it left a little bit of a white finish on the skin. It did absorb over time, but I just loved using it as a nourishing night treatment. It's very situational. Now, you don't get a ton of this product for the price point. I noticed the expiration date of this product was 6 months after opening, so I guess it is good that you buy this in a smaller batch. It had an amazing blend of ingredients in it. It personally worked well for my skin. I know it has shea butter, but I don't have an issue with that ingredient. I feel like it would be really designed for dry skin types because even though it did leave a little bit of a white finish on the skin, texture-wise, it was very much like a balm. It didn't have a rich or greasy finish to it, and it just really helped my chapped and dry skin. I also loved using this product on my lips. I will be trying out the lip balm formulation of this in the future, but overall, I was really impressed with this. It's one of my favorite La Roche-Posay products I have tried because of the amazing price point and also the amazing ingredients, along with not including alcohol or fragrance in this formulation. And so for that reason, I didn't see anything negative with it, and I would 100% recommend trying it. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.